200,000 people are evacuated from coastal areas in India's Gujarat state as a major cyclone strikes. At least 20 people are known to have died. To India now, where a cyclone classified as extremely severe has made landfall in the western state of Gujarat. Wind speeds of up to 190 kilometres per hour have been recorded. That's 120 miles an hour. Cyclone Tauktae travelled along India's western coast. It narrowly missed the city of Mumbai en route. At least 20 people are known to have been killed, 200,000 evacuated. Mark Lobel reports.
Emergency officials evacuate coastal areas as India faces disaster on several fronts. This cyclone comes amid a COVID-19 wave that has also flooded India's hospitals. The Navy has sent 3 warships to try to rescue hundreds of people stranded off the coast. Even Mumbai's meteorological department is affected as winds of up to 190 kilometers an hour hit people, property and power lines in the most powerful cyclone to strike the region since the late 90s.
Storms and cyclones draw their energy from warm ocean waters. And now what is happening? The Arabian Sea temperatures, the ocean surface temperatures are warming rapidly.
Cyclone Tauktae has travelled up India's western coast, claiming lives in Kerala, Karnataka and Goa. It's made landfall in Gujarat, threatening storm surges up to 4 meters high in some coastal districts.
This is the 4th consecutive year when a cyclone has formed during the April-June season in the Arabian Sea region. And this might be the 3rd one which is moving very close to the west coast for this season again. And that means we need to be better prepared for the west coast.
It's forced the temporary closure of Mumbai airport and disrupted local rail services. There are wider fears it could accelerate the spread of coronavirus, as more than 150,000 people in low-lying areas have been moved into densely packed shelters. A vaccine drive in several coastal towns has been paused. The storm is also adding to the challenges faced in India's hospitals, as some critical patients are forced to move buildings. It's hoped that having made landfall, the cyclone will lose some of its wind strength. But heavy rainfall still poses a threat to parts of northern India. Mark Lobel, BBC News.
Authorities in India say at least 16 people have been killed by Cyclone Tauktae as it brushed past the coastal states of Kerala, Karnataka, Goa and Maharashtra. More than 200,000 people were evacuated from their homes in the state of Gujarat, while ports and major airports were temporarily closed. The Indian Meteorological Department categorised the storm, which formed in the Arabian Sea, as extremely severe, upgrading it from very severe.
A cyclone classified as extremely severe has made landfall in India's western state of Gujarat. Wind speeds are reported of up to 100 miles an hour. Cyclone Tauktae has claimed the lives of at least 12 people on India's western coast, and thousands have fled their homes.